What kind of bird is that? Huh? Where she fly? Where she go? Nice, pretty. What's it? Pigeon?
No,
Pigeon bird or no?
it's a rabbit.
Huh?
Rabbit. Impossible
It
to
look
be
like
seen.
it look like a duck.
Impossible to be seen.
Huh? How to see how pretty ah?
Impossible to be seen.
Hello. Hello. What's she doing? I never see that before. Bird go. See? It's not
Special
like
people only can see.
it's pigeon. It's pigeon bird lah ko. You see?
It's a rare one.
Oh, very pretty birdie. Where is she? Oh yeah, there. What's she doing?
Looking for rest of the pigeons.
It's a pigeon, I think. What kind of bird is this? I don't know. Can I open the window? Hello, birdie. Everywhere, right? Where is she now? There. I want to see her flying. I think she's building her nest, is it? Is she? I never see that before, ko.
It's a rare bird. Only
Yeah.
special people can see.
Really not?
Only special people can see.
Hello, birdie. It looks like a duck.
It's a type of duck.
But that cannot fly, Ducky.
Not flightless.
Birdie. How to call bird? Tweet, 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 tweet.
And then she put like food here.
But she's not scared of us, right?
So she not scared of anything. Right? She only scared of those noises. Hello there.
Hello there, birdie, birdie. But she's not scared even people downstairs there. Huh?
Hey. Come, come.
Really? Oh, it's so nice, eh?
Okay. Oh, yeah, it's
Fly.
building a nest.
Yeah, she's like building her nest.
Because bird, they have to find a strong stick.
Wow, very cool. Wow, very pretty birdie. Can you please fly? I want to see you flying.
And that's an animal.
Very cute. The thing ko. The color, I love it so much.
It's
Is
black
you
and
know
white.
white. Then the end of the thing is white. Black and white. Very pretty cool. I like the color ko. Very like the color like ko. Aww.
Black, white, black, white, black.
So cute. I think she want to live there. Tomorrow we see again. Right? Aww.
Hey, what time is it now?
11:03 o'clock.
Birdie!
How to call a bird, alamak.
He can jump.
Yeah. Do you think we can see you?
Oh.
Fly. Jump it. It's like pigeon birds ko.
Yeah.
Pigeon, pigeon, pigeon. Pigeon, pigeon, pigeon. Are you a pigeon birdie? Who are you? Hello.
Oh, he's right there.
Hi, birdie.
Hello.
Come. Can you come here? We give you nuts.
Where is it?
It's a
I
corner.
got the
Oh,
nuts. Yeah, this is nuts.
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas they also eat what? You
Really?
don't know what can eat. You don't know what can eat. It's not.
Birdie, fly. Woo. Okay, she want to live there already. Later, until later what time? Until tomorrow we check if she's still there. That means she will be there, and
Chickpeas.
I want to
You
be
want
her friend.
chickpeas? You want chickpeas?
What you giving?
Chickpea.
Do you think she will? Is she flying?
Chickpeas.
Where is she? I cannot see.
Yeah.
Where is she?
There.
Oh yeah, there.
Chickpeas.
There.
You want the chickpeas? I'll leave it here. She might come.
Oh yeah. The chickpeas is dropping. She's very white. Kaya makaw ng langgam. Ako na lang. Yeah, chickpeas daw para sa langgam. Ako na lang, makaw na. Yung makaw na. Kaya itong nagkaw.